Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
What is going on? Welcome back to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast all about motivating and inspiring you towards living your life on a higher level. This is your 1 minute motivation for today, and here is that quote. Never trust your fears. They don't know your strength. Fears and doubt, the two biggest killers of people's dreams. You're programmed to fear the worst, and we all do this. But we should look to break that mold. You have incredible strength and courage. But fear doesn't know that yet until you show it to the world. Start from now. Take a stand. Stand tall and face those fears. You have so much success and achievement waiting for you on the other side. Good luck.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.